Right here we're walking through a part of the rainforest that has not been burned. This is totally intact rainforest here. We're engaged in about a 20-minute walk back to the road. They are actually taking palm fronds from palm trees like this one right in front of me to build the roof right now of the structure that I showed you earlier. Yeah, it's really dry here. The fires are a disaster. I've been reading about them for years. Burning mainly in Brazil, but obviously in Bolivia and Peru as well, in the Amazon rainforest.